Hi, I'm Brenda from Alberta Quilting. Please stay tuned for today's tips. Essential. I cannot explain to you how essential this particular tip is. Clean and oil your machine. The manufacturer will give you instructions in your manual on how to do it, and I recommend at least after every 8 hours of use to clean it out, use your lint brush and clean out all of the lint that's accumulated in your machine, whether it's on the top where you thread your machine, whether it is in the bobbin area. Clean out your machine, see if there's any threads that are left. Use your oil. You can see I buy this oil and it has the nice spout so I can get in there, and 1-2 drops and you have it. Normally your machine comes with a toolkit, so you can unscrew anything that needs to be unscrewed, and this is actually not a manufacturer's lint brush. I picked this up at I think it was Fabricland or something like that, but it's nice and big, and so I like it because I have a little bit more control than the smaller ones that come with your machine. But please, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you clean out your machine every 8 hours at least. Change your needle when you do it as well. Start with a fresh needle so that you are not having any blunt markings or chips on your needle or whatever, and you'll have a great sewing experience. I've learned that the hard way. That's why I can tell you this. I'm very frustrated. I don't know what's going on. Why is my machine not working? It's because I haven't taken the time to just oil it, or starts squeaking and it shouldn't. I need to oil it where the manufacturer says. So do yourself a favor, clean your machine. Thank you. Thanks for watching us. Please join us next time. If you would like to know more about the products that I love and I have used in these videos, please check out the comment section below, and of course, like and share my videos. Thank you very much.